and concession design to public sustainability practical framework for practical is write a set route to implement BST identity and privacy in order.
First algorithm to create a node structure. Define node structure with data fields, data left and right. Second, insert a node. If the tree is empty, create a new node and make the root node. Second, if the value to be inserted is less than root's value, insert in the left subtree. If the value to be inserted is greater than root's value, insert in right subtree. Repeat the process recursively until the correct position for the new node is found. Third, in order traversal start from the root. Recursively traverse the left subtree. Visit the root node and print its value. Recursively traverse the left subtree. Fourth, main function initialize the BST as empty. For each input value, insert it into the BST. Perform an in-order traversal of the BST to print the node values in ascending order.
This is our code for our practical. Here we use two header file, stdio.h means standard input output and standard library function. Here we define BST node, and then we need to create a node. Therefore here struct node start create node in bracket int data curly bracket open struct node start new node is equal to in bracket struct node start bracket complete malloc function size of struct node and new node points to data is equal to data semicolon new node points to left is equal to new node points to right equal to null return new node curly bracket close. Therefore struct node star insert in bracket struct node star root comma int data curly bracket open if root equal to null then return create node data semicolon if data less than root points to data bracket close root points to left equal to insert in bracket root points to left comma data semicolon else if data greater than root points to data root points to right is equal to insert node pointer and this is our program. Output for our practical, we enter 3 node, first is 22, second is 55 and third is 22 and in order traversal is 22, 55.